A man learns too late that being busy is not the same as being valuable. You can fill every hour of your day and still feel empty at night. Busyness can become a hiding place from fear, from questions, from truth. Men often confuse confidence with noise, but the loudest man in the room is rarely the strongest. The strongest man listens more than he speaks and chooses his words carefully because he understands words create consequences. A man learns too late. Some people don't want to see you grow. They want you comfortable, predictable, small, and loyalty to people who drain you is not honor, it's self-betrayal. Men are taught to chase approval from bosses, from strangers, from society. But the day a man stops living for applause is the day he finally hears his own voice. A man eventually learns that anger doesn't protect him. It poisons him. It doesn't punish the past. It steals from the present. And forgiveness is not weakness. It's choosing peace over permanent war inside yourself. Men learn too late that intelligence without discipline leads nowhere. Talent without action is just wasted potential, waiting to turn into regret. Time doesn't reward intention. It rewards movement. A man spends years thinking he has time. Then one day he realizes time was never promised. It was only borrowed. And suddenly the things he ignored become the things he misses most. Men learn too late that life doesn't ask for perfection. It asks for honesty, consistency, courage to show up, even when no one is watching. And perhaps the hardest lesson of all, a man learns too late. That peace is not found in winning, proving, or conquering. Peace is found when a man stops running from himself. If this message reached you early, consider it a gift, because wisdom doesn't belong to age. It belongs to awareness. And the man who learns today what others learn at the end has already won something priceless.